Want to give your TikTok presence a serious upgrade and make sure you truly stand out in the feed? This guide is designed to walk you through the straightforward process of updating your profile picture on TikTok, a powerful yet easy way to express your unique style and keep your online persona looking sharp on this dynamic platform. Your journey begins by launching the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, you'll need to access your personal profile. This is typically found within the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, indicated by a profile icon. Tap this icon to head over to your own page. Now find and tap the Edit Profile button. This is your gateway to making changes, and it's usually located quite visibly on your profile page, just beneath your current profile picture and username. You'll see your current profile picture front and center. To initiate the change, simply tap directly on this image. This action will automatically present you with a concise menu of your photo options. TikTok offers you flexible choices for your avatar. You can select Take Photo to capture a brand new image on the spot with your phone's camera, or choose Upload Photo if you already have the perfect shot saved in your device's photo library for immediate use. For this demonstration, we'll proceed with uploading a pre-selected image. Take a moment to scroll through your gallery and choose the photo that most authentically represents you or your brand. Ensure it's sharp, visually engaging, and captivating enough to draw in new followers. After you've chosen your image, TikTok provides intuitive tools for refinement. You can easily zoom in or out and precisely position the photo to ensure your best features are perfectly framed within the circular cutout. Once you are completely satisfied with how your new profile picture looks and is positioned, locate and tap the Save or Confirm button, typically found at the top or bottom of your screen. This action locks in your selection. And there you have it. Your TikTok profile picture has been successfully updated. This simple yet impactful change helps reinforce your brand identity and can significantly contribute to attracting new viewers to your fascinating content. Keep experimenting and stay relevant.